Janie, the Mindfulness Coach here. Super excited to be a part of the second annual Rhythm and Soul Women's Retreat going down in South Padre Island, Texas, December 1st through the 3rd, hosted by the lovely Marissa Harris. Last year, I had so much fun. I met wonderful women and we were all in the same boat, there to honor ourselves in ways that maybe we normally don't. There'll be a variety of fun teachers taking you through beautiful experiences, sharing tools and practices that you can use after the retreat. We'll also enjoy a relaxing sound bath. This is a time for you to give yourself some tea and some TLC, time, energy, and attention, and tender, loving care for the mind, the body, the heart, and the soul. So I have you for 2 classes. I'm going to take you through my Paz Mesa experience. We're going to be doing some tapping, humming, moving, breathing, squeezing, playing, having some fun. And then I'm going to take you through the mindful vision board process. We're going to cover the 4 pillars of life, and then we're going to have some fun putting our boards together. So be sure to bring some magazines. This is an opportunity for you to get real clear about what it is that you're going to be creating over these next few months in this coming year. The time is now. Let's get with it, ladies. It's all about C-A-R-E, care, self-care, self-love, because we want every woman really tapping into her power, passion, and purpose. It's inspirational, it's motivational, it's restorative, it's everything that you'll need all in one weekend, and it's only $150. So be sure to go to rhythmroomstudio.com to purchase your tickets because the seating is limited. I'm looking forward to seeing some familiar faces and some new faces too. Peace be in you.